Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video on ticker symbol AEGY. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. So real quick, what that means by 60-minute is instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're known representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents an hour's worth of price action. And the reason I wanted to do this time frame is if we hop to the daily chart real quick, you can see that, well, I'm not going to call it worthless. After today's just gigantic day, I think we can get a little bit more information from looking at the 60-minute chart. And I should note that this candle was basically the most bullish that you can get. The open was as low as it went for the day, and the close was as high as it went for the day. So essentially the only level of resistance today was the closing bell itself, because who knows how much higher it could have went. If it had been open, another 15 minutes or half an hour or whatever. So very bullish candle on the daily chart, but we are going to spend our time down here on the 60-minute chart. And even the 60-minute chart's a little limited just because the chart is, technically up in blue sky breakout territory. However, we can find some all-important levels of support. So the first level of support that I just want to update is this level down here. And I'm assuming this line came from the last time I did the video, but just a good example of it holding, big move here, held as support, and now you can see the follow-through move there. So that'll be the first area of support, and that is down there at 0008. The next few areas of support were established today, meaning that they were resistances, and now that they're broken, they are now levels of support. That first level being right here at 0014. The next area of support being right there at, let's see, what is that, 0018. And then another level of support, but I'm going to call this the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me, hey Clay, what would make the chart look the absolute strongest? It would be if this level right there at 0023 can hold, but by no means is it a must-hold level. If the price were to fall below here, hopefully you get the picture. All sorts of supports below you, but again, this would be the level that would make it look the strongest. But no need to panic or jump out of windows or anything if it did happen to fail, because like I said, this is just a shorter term and ideal level of support. In terms of resistances, nothing to say. Closed right up at the high of the day, like I said. So the only resistance today was the closing bell. So blue sky breakout territory, just going to have to use your gut instincts for the time being. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out my private trading group if you haven't yet. What is it? It's a group of traders from beginners up to advanced traders. I've created an environment where you can learn and also just bounce trade ideas off one another. I send out my personal scans and watch list every week. And then we also have a live chat room coming next week, so you'll be able to hang out with me and other traders, stay on top of real-time movers, real-time market events, news, all that good stuff, as it unfolds. So very excited for that. It should be a good time and a very profitable environment. So hope you decide to check it out. If anything, at least click up there, read some of the testimonials from people that have already signed up and are already a part of the group. One more time, this was AEGY. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.